Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Excessive exposure to sun, acne, skin irritations, skin allergies, rashes and genetics are the few reasons which lead to the problem of skin darkening. Skin darkening is really an embarrassing problem. This skin issue does not really make one to interact with others properly. Hence, a person suffering with uneven skin tone eagerly looks for a quick solution. If you are the one amongst them, this video is exclusively for you. Here are 6 effective ways of using baking soda for skin whitening. Number 1. Baking soda and honey. Baking soda is very effective in reducing the darkness of the skin. Honey works extremely well in combating with sunburn and protect your skin from the damage of the sun. For making this face pack, take some baking soda and mix it with honey. Mix it well. Then apply on the skin which is affected. Let it dry for some time, preferably 15 minutes, and then rinse off using water. Apply this 2 times a week to notice better results. Number 2. Baking soda and lemon. The bleaching properties of lemon and baking soda work wonders in lightening your skin. Take half cup baking soda and mix it with some lemon juice. Mix it well and apply on the affected area. Leave it for a few minutes, then wash the affected area using water. Regular application of this mask is very beneficial in lightening your skin. Number 3. Baking soda and strawberry. Baking soda along with strawberry is very effective in eliminating impurities and dirt from your skin. This combination also lightens the complexion of your skin. For this, take 1 strawberry and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix both these ingredients well. Then apply this paste on the affected area. Gently massage for some time in circular motions. After that, wash using cool water and then pat dry your skin. Number 4. Baking soda and tomato. The combination of baking soda and tomato works amazingly well in giving you instant glow to your skin. To prepare this face pack, firstly squeeze the juice of tomato. Add this juice to 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix both these ingredients very well. Then spread evenly on your face and leave it to dry for some time, preferably 15 minutes. After that, wash your face using normal water. This process should be followed on regular basis to enjoy desired results. Number 5. Baking soda and oat flour. The combination of both baking soda and oat flour is very effective in removing dead cells from the skin. Thus, it activates the cells to lighten the skin. To prepare this face pack, take 2 tablespoons oat flour and add it to 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix these ingredients very well. Apply this pack on your face and let this pack dry for some time. Then wash off your face using normal water. Number 6. Baking soda with lemon juice and yogurt. The combination of baking soda, lemon juice and yogurt is highly beneficial in lightening your skin. To prepare this face pack, take 2 tablespoons baking soda and lemon juice. Also take 1/4 cup plain yogurt. You can also add 1 egg in this pack. Mix all these ingredients in a small container. Apply this pack on the affected area and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash your skin using lukewarm water, then using cold water. Follow this process 2 times in a week to enjoy faster results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. All these are very easy to do homemade remedies to get a brighter skin. You can try one of these whatever ingredient suits your skin the most and see the results for yourself. All the recipes are mentioned in the video description for your reference. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye for now.